Today I'm going to show you how to fix WooCommerce view cart not working in WordPress. If you've been experiencing issues where customers can't access their shopping cart, this quick fix will help you resolve it by ensuring all your WooCommerce pages are properly mapped. Let's get started. First, open a browser and head to WordPress.com. If you haven't already logged into your account, go ahead and sign in now. This will take you to your WordPress dashboard where you can manage all aspects of your website. Once you're logged in and on your dashboard, the next step is to navigate to the WooCommerce settings. Look at the left navigation menu and click on WooCommerce. This will expand to reveal several options related to your online store. From the options that appear, click on Settings. This is where you'll find all the configuration tools needed to manage your store's functionality, including the cart and checkout processes. You'll now be on the Settings page, which contains multiple tabs at the top of your screen. From these tabs, locate and click on Advanced. This section is crucial for fixing the view cart issue because it contains the page setup configuration. This is where WordPress connects your WooCommerce features to specific pages on your site. In the Advanced tab, you'll notice a Page Setup section. This area displays drop-down menus for various WooCommerce pages like Cart, Checkout, My Account, and Terms and Conditions. The issue you're experiencing is likely caused by pages not being mapped correctly. For each page in this section, make sure every page is mapped accordingly. Click on each drop-down and choose their respective page. For example, your cart page should be mapped to the actual cart page you've created, and your checkout should be mapped to your checkout page. Take your time here to ensure each dropdown is pointing to the correct page. Once you've verified and corrected all the page mappings, click on Save Changes at the bottom of the page. This will apply your configurations and properly link your WooCommerce functionality to the correct pages on your WordPress site. And that's it. You've successfully fixed the WooCommerce view cart issue by ensuring all pages are properly mapped in your settings. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.